Hi dear students, in this video I am going to discuss about space lattice or crystal lattice, unit cell, types of unit cells and different types of crystal systems. These are from the chapter The Solid State. Space lattice or crystal lattice a three-dimensional regular arrangement of lattice points in space or crystal is known as space lattice or crystal lattice. Characteristics of crystal lattice. Each point in crystal lattice is known as lattice point. Each lattice point represents one constituent particle. It may be atom or ion. By joining the lattice points by straight lines, crystal geometry can be obtained. Students, space lattice or the crystal lattice, a three-dimensional regular arrangement of lattice points in space or in crystal is known as space lattice or crystal lattice. And characteristics of crystal lattice is each point in the crystal lattice is known as a lattice point. Each lattice point represents one constituent particle. It may be atom or ion. By joining the lattice points by using straight lines, crystal geometry can be obtained. Students, now let us discuss about the unit cell. The smallest unit of crystal lattice which when repeated over and again gives entire crystal structure is known as is known as unit cell. Students, for example, a given crystal structure is cubic. That unit cell, smallest unit like this cubic crystal it is present. So this is repeated for many times. So in all the directions, along the x direction, let us assume this is x direction, this is repeated for the millions of times. In all the directions, this is repeated to get the crystal structure. The smallest unit, that unit is called as unit cell. That smallest unit is called as a unit cell. And unit cells are two types. Types of unit cells. Types of unit cells. First type is primitive unit cell, which has lattice points only at corners. Primitive unit cell is, if it is a cubic primitive unit cell, we will take, for example, all the corners are occupied with the atoms. Then it is called as a primitive unit cell. Right? Let us discuss about the other type of unit cell, which is called as non-primitive unit cell. Non-primitive unit cell which has lattice point at corners, that is 8 corners, and one or more at other places. Students, a primitive unit cell means which has a lattice points only at corners. Unit cell which has a lattice points only at corners is called as primitive unit cell. Whereas non-primitive unit cell is unit cell which has a lattice points at 8 corners and one or more at other places. Right? So for example, BCC unit cell we will take. Body centered cubic lattice, which is indicated with the BCC in the shortcut. So in this case, the lattice points are present at all the corners. Along with the corners, there is a one lattice point is present at the body center. All the corners as lattice points are present. Along with this, if it has one or more lattice points, for BCC, lattice point is present along with the corners, one at body center, BCC, right? FCC, face centered cubic close packing, cubic lattice. Shortcut it is known as FCC. Other name of FCC is CCP, cubic close packing, right? So in the FCC, along with the corners, lattice points are present at 6 face centers. Along with the corners, 8 lattice points are present at corners and 6 at face centers. This side face, this side opposite face, right side face, top face, bottom face, front side face, this is a back side face. This is also known as non-primitive unit cell. One more type also there, that is a end-centered unit cell. Third type of non-primitive unit cell is end-centered unit cell. Lattice points are present at corners, at 8 corners and 2 at any opposite face centers. Opposite face centers. In the cubic unit cell, lattice points are present at corners and 2 more lattice points are present at any of the 2 opposite sides. This is called as end-centered unit cell, right? Students, now let us discuss about the different types of crystal systems. Types of crystal systems. Any crystal in the universe will comes under 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices. Any crystal in the nature will comes under 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices. In the syllabus we have in detail about the only one crystal system, that is a cubic crystal system, right? So according to the convention we have to take like this. This is x axis, y axis, z axis, this length, this is indicated with the OA. Here this point is indicated with the B. And this point on the z axis is indicated with the C, OC. This is right. Here student, that OA, OB, OC are called as edges. Edges are edge lengths, right? So OA is equal to A, small a. OB is equal to small b. OC is equal to small c. These are called as edges, right? And this angle, according to the convention, this angle BOC angle is alpha, and AOC angle, this is beta, and AOB angle is gamma. According to the convention we have to take like that only. The angle between x-axis and y-axis is gamma, x-axis and z-axis is beta, and y-axis and z-axis is alpha, right? Alpha, beta, gamma are known as interaxial angles. Interaxial angles are alpha, beta, gamma, and A, B, C, they are known as edges, right? Now let us discuss about the 7 crystal systems. Students, generally any crystal in the universe will comes under 7 crystal systems and 14 Bravais lattices. Now let us discuss about those 7 crystal systems. Serial number, crystal system, crystal system, Bravais lattice, edges, interaxial angles. First type of crystal system is cubic. 7 crystal systems are there, 14 possible variations, those are called as Bravais lattices. Here 3 possible variations are observed in the nature: primitive, BCC, FCC, body center cubic lattice, face center cubic close packing cubic lattice, right? And edges relation A is equal to B is equal to C. Interaxial angles relation is alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degrees. Second type of crystal system is tetragonal. Here 2 possible variations are there: primitive, BCC. The relation between edge lengths A is equal to B not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Third type is orthorhombic. Maximum, the crystal structure which has a different maximum number of Bravais lattices is orthorhombic, which has primitive, BCC, FCC and EDC, end centered cubic lattice also possible. Here the relation between edges A not equal to B not equal to C, and here alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma is equal to 90 degrees. Best example for this is matchbox. Matchbox is a best example for orthorhombic unit cell or crystal system, right? And fourth type is monoclinic. 2 variations are there: primitive and end centered. A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha is equal to gamma is equal to 90, beta not equal to 90 degrees. Triclinic, which is known as most odd crystal system. Triclinic, here only primitive is possible. Primitive is there. Primitive A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha not equal to beta not equal to gamma, which is not equal to 90 degrees. Most odd crystal system is triclinic. Sixth one is hexagonal. Primitive is possible. Primitive will exist in the nature. A is equal to B not equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to 90 degrees, gamma is equal to 120 degrees. Seventh one is rhombohedral. Primitive unit cell is possible. A is equal to B is equal to C, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, which is not equal to 90 degrees. So total 7 crystal systems are there: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, hexagonal, rhombohedral. 7 crystal systems are there. Bravais lattices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 Bravais lattices are there. Among these, triclinic is known as most odd crystal system because all are not equal to A is not equal to A not equal to B not equal to C, alpha not equal to beta, not equal to gamma, which is not equal to 90, and orthorhombic has maximum possible variations. 4 different Bravais lattices are having in the orthorhombic crystal system. Okay, this is not created, this is in the nature. These crystal systems exist like this only, that we are studying. Okay, orthorhombic, why it has a maximum number of crystal system means in the nature this type of crystal system will exist in the 4 different possible variations. It has a maximum, right? So students, this is about the different types of crystal systems. Thanks for watching.